This fallen world is not our home. This is simply a pit stop on the way to our eternal destination. Our duty in this interim period is to make a difference for God in the world. Bakit ka nandito sa mundo? Bakit ka nandito sa lupa? Hindi para magkamal ng limpak-limpak na salapi. Hindi para hangaan ng tao lang. Nandito ka para maglingkod sa Diyos mo. So we must abstain from sinful desires that wage war against our souls. Our victory in our private holiness empowers us to conduct ourselves honorably among those who do not yet know God. Now, Jesus told His disciples to let their light shine before unbelievers so that they would see their good works and glorify God in Matthew 5:14-16. Ipakita nyo na kayo ay ligtas. Maglingkod kayo sa Diyos. Mag-alay kayo ng inyong mga sarili. Ipakita nyo ang inyong kabanalan sa mundong inyong ginagalawan. Ipakita nyo na binabago kayo ng Diyos. Yun ang tamang paglilingkod.